Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Continues to be one of the more interesting coins at the moment. I think it is actually not looking too bad for continuation to the upside, but it will all live and die with the $21.60 level, because as long as this level is holding, I'm going to look here to the upside for Solana to form one more wave to the upside. We've got here a potential 5-wave move forming, but it needs to hold. This impulse needs to hold the $21.65 level. It's really now the task of the bulls to do it. Remember when we were down here already, sort of in the middle of this move to the upside, I explained to you we have to wait for a clear wave 4. None of this stuff here was in any way a clear wave 4. They were, smaller degree wave 4s of the main third wave here, circle wave 3. So this is a healthy wave 4, and I did explain to you I would like to see a wave 4 that is in length, time-wise, roughly the same length as the wave 2. So this took around about a week. So we are now like 3 days in, and ideally we see a little bit more. There's no need. So I mean, at the moment, I'm happy with how this looks. It's a healthy wave 4. That's what I wanted. Not a quick, quick correction and then carry on. I did explain to you this would be just an extension of the third wave. So I call this already a healthy wave 4. That's okay. Could be a bit longer, but it's okay. So as long as it now holds the $21.65 level, I will count the next move up as wave 5. And it could target $25.50. That's key resistance. If the price pushes through it, which it certainly could do in the fifth wave, then the next target afterwards would be the $27 level. So at the moment, the price might be in this wave 4. It's looking good because at least from what we see right now, I mean, it can always change, but from what we can see right now, this is a corrective move to the downside. Looks like we had that A wave, the B wave, and the C wave. Now, the C wave can still extend lower. Could get one more low, and then we have 5 waves down in wave C. Why? Because the move down here, so this could be an A wave, this could be the B, and then the C wave could be an ending diagonal. Now again, these micro counts, they are not really reliable, but this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an ending diagonal in wave C. In a diagonal pattern, you can have wave 1 as the longest one, wave 3 as shorter than 1, and then wave 5 would need to be shorter than 3. And you can also have overlaps between waves 1 and 3. Now that's, of course, diving into the micro count, very academic, not really helpful. The only thing that is really helpful is going to be the $21.60 level. And that's our edge, because we need to understand if, we can look forward to a fifth wave as long as this level is holding. And the closer we get, the better the reward to risk ratio, even though I don't see this as an attractive long trade, because a wave 5 can be short. Yes, they can be long, but they can sometimes be very short, and we're just below resistance. Now, I would use this trend line. Potentially, we have enough touch points now. This trend line to get an indication when this fifth wave is starting. And I would pay attention to that. Again, we could be starting the fifth wave of the C wave shortly, but this is also what you could consider here, potentially a descending wedge that's forming. We'll see. We don't really have enough touch points down here, maybe. But I think the descending trend line, the upper boundary line of that wedge pattern is very important, because it is just, it is a very well defined. I mean, we've got 3 touch points. It's okay. It's obviously still a small time frame, so we need to be a bit flexible. But it could just be an early indication that the trend continues to the upside in the fifth wave as soon as this trend line breaks. Then if we break above the last swing high, $23.85, that would give us more confidence. And then obviously the break above this third wave high will be confirmation at $24.75. As soon as we have those 5 waves up complete, we can look forward to a 3-wave pullback. Basically the corrective pullback after the first impulse. This is what we call a wave 2. We will add a support area, good reward to risk ratio for a potential long trade in a third wave. So we'll see how that goes. I will definitely keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, every Sunday we do a weekly live stream. So that's always educational, and we cover some coin requests of members. Then you get access to all the Discord and Telegram chat rooms, educational content, and as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.